From verdant rainforests to sprawling grasslands, our planet teems with life, sustained by a delicate balance. Yet, one of humanity's most vital activities, agriculture, can often disrupt this harmony. Traditional farming practices, while essential for feeding the world's growing population, can impact our environment in ways we are only beginning to comprehend. By embracing eco-friendly techniques, farmers across the globe are demonstrating that we can grow food sustainably while safeguarding the very ecosystems that sustain us. Join us as we delve into 7 remarkable farming techniques, transforming agriculture and cultivating a greener future. Imagine a world where farming not only provides sustenance, but also actively heals the planet. This is the promise of regenerative agriculture, a holistic approach that views the farm as an intricate ecosystem. By embracing practices like no-till farming, we can enhance soil structure, creating a haven for beneficial organisms. Crop rotation involves alternating crops, interrupting pest cycles, and improving soil fertility. Composting transforms organic matter into a rich, fertile amendment, boosting soil health. One remarkable aspect of regenerative agriculture is its ability to sequester carbon, mitigating climate change. Picture a field, once depleted, now teeming with life, earthworms aerating the soil, and a vibrant tapestry of crops. This is the power of regenerative agriculture, restoring balance to our ecosystems and ensuring a bountiful harvest. Across vast landscapes, herds of grazing animals have shaped ecosystems for millennia. Rotational grazing mimics these natural patterns, allowing livestock to graze one section of pasture intensively before moving them to a fresh area. This allows grazed areas to rest and recover, preventing overgrazing and promoting healthy plant growth. Imagine a herd of cattle moving across a pasture, their hooves stimulating plant growth and leaving behind manure that fertilizes the soil. By preventing overgrazing, rotational grazing helps maintain healthy soil structure, reducing erosion and improving water infiltration. It also promotes plant diversity, creating a more resilient ecosystem. Beyond its ecological benefits, rotational grazing can improve animal health and welfare. As we move towards a more sustainable future, rotational grazing offers a compelling model for managing livestock. On a farm, a constant battle unfolds between crops and pests. Synthetic pesticides have been the weapon of choice, but their indiscriminate use has harmed beneficial insects and polluted waterways. Enter Integrated Pest Management, IPM, a sophisticated approach that enlists nature's defenses to protect crops. IPM employs a multi-pronged strategy combining biological controls, cultural practices, and targeted pesticide applications. Imagine a field buzzing with life, with beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings preying on crop pests. IPM practitioners attract and support these beneficial insects by planting flowering plants along field borders. Careful monitoring of pest populations allows for targeted treatments before infestations spiral out of control. By working with nature's rhythms, IPM helps maintain healthy ecosystems and reduces reliance on synthetic pesticides. In the quiet months after harvest, cover cropping emerges to protect and nourish the land. This ancient agricultural practice has been revitalized in modern farming, offering a multitude of benefits that extend far beyond the growing season. This practice involves planting non-cash crops like clover, which not only cover the soil but also contribute to its fertility. Rye, another popular choice, is known for its ability to thrive in cooler temperatures, making it ideal for the fallow season. Imagine a field, once barren, now transformed into a lush carpet of green. This transformation is not just visually appealing, but also ecologically significant. Legumes such as peas and beans draw nitrogen from the air, enriching the soil naturally. This process reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers, promoting a more sustainable farming system. While deep-rooted cover crops, like radishes, improve drainage and aeration, they also break up compacted soil layers, enhancing root penetration for future crops. Cover crops act like a living mulch, suppressing weeds by outcompeting them for sunlight and nutrients. This natural weed control reduces the need for herbicides. Preventing erosion is another critical function of cover crops. Their roots bind the soil, reducing runoff and keeping the land intact. Their roots hold the soil in place, preventing valuable topsoil from being washed away, which is essential for maintaining soil fertility and structure. While their decomposing biomass adds organic matter, it also enhances soil microbial activity, fostering a healthier soil ecosystem. By reducing soil erosion, cover crops protect water quality by preventing sediment and nutrient runoff into waterways. Additionally, they provide habitat for beneficial insects and wildlife, promoting biodiversity on the farm. In a world grappling with climate change, cover crops offer a beacon of hope. They help mitigate climate impacts by improving soil health and resilience. By sequestering carbon and storing it safely in the soil, cover crops play a crucial role in reducing greenhouse gases, making them an essential tool in the fight against climate change. In a world increasingly reliant on technology, agriculture is also embracing the digital age. Farmers are no longer just relying on traditional methods. They are integrating advanced technologies to enhance productivity and sustainability. Precision agriculture harnesses the power of data, sensors, and digital tools to optimize crop production and minimize environmental impact. These technologies provide farmers with critical insights that were previously unimaginable. Imagine a farmer, tablet in hand, accessing real-time data about soil moisture, nutrient levels, and plant health. This data-driven approach allows for more precise and efficient farming practices. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras capture detailed images of the field, identifying areas of stress or pest infestations. These aerial views provide a comprehensive perspective that ground-level observations simply cannot match. This information empowers farmers to make informed decisions about irrigation, fertilization, and pest control. By understanding the specific needs of their crops, they can apply treatments more effectively and efficiently. By applying resources only where and when needed, farmers can minimize their environmental footprint and reduce costs. This targeted approach not only conserves valuable resources, but also enhances crop yields. Precision agriculture helps protect water quality by reducing the risk of agricultural runoff. Buffer zones and other sustainable practices ensure that nearby water bodies remain clean and healthy. It's about empowering farmers with the tools and information they need to make the best decisions for their land and our planet. By embracing these innovations, farmers are not only securing their livelihoods, but also contributing to a more sustainable future for all. Step into a world where trees and crops intertwine, creating a harmonious tapestry of life. Agroforestry integrates trees and shrubs into agricultural landscapes, mimicking the diversity and resilience of natural ecosystems. Imagine a coffee plantation shaded by a canopy of towering trees, which fix nitrogen and create a natural mulch. This symbiotic relationship between trees and crops creates a more productive and sustainable farming system. Agroforestry encompasses practices like alley cropping and silvopasture, each offering unique benefits. Trees act as carbon sinks, mitigating climate change and enhancing the environment. Beyond ecological benefits, agroforestry provides economic opportunities for farmers through fruit, nut, and timber trees. By working with nature, we can create food systems that are both productive and beneficial for people and the planet. Beneath our feet lies a hidden world, teeming with life and essential for sustaining life on Earth, the soil. This complex ecosystem is home to countless organisms from tiny bacteria to earthworms, all playing a crucial role in maintaining soil health and fertility. Conventional farming practices involve tilling, disrupting soil structure, and releasing carbon dioxide. Tilling breaks up the soil, making it more prone to erosion and reducing its ability to retain water. This not only depletes the soil of essential nutrients, but also contributes to the release of stored carbon into the atmosphere, exacerbating climate change. No-till farming advocates for minimal soil disturbance, leaving the soil largely undisturbed and covered with crop residues. This practice helps maintain the natural soil structure, promotes biodiversity, and enhances the soil's ability to retain moisture and nutrients. By not turning the soil, we preserve the habitat for beneficial organisms and reduce the risk of erosion. This shift has far-reaching implications for soil health, water conservation, and climate change mitigation. Healthier soil means more robust crops, which can better withstand pests and diseases. Additionally, no-till farming reduces the need for chemical inputs, leading to a more sustainable and environmentally friendly agricultural system. Imagine a field where the soil remains undisturbed, covered in a protective layer of crop residues. This layer not only shields the soil from harsh weather conditions, but also provides a continuous supply of organic matter as it decomposes, enriching the soil over time. This layer acts like a natural mulch, suppressing weeds, conserving moisture, and providing a habitat for beneficial insects. These insects, in turn, help control pest populations, reducing the need for chemical pesticides and fostering a more balanced ecosystem. No-till farming helps sequester carbon, drawing it down from the atmosphere and storing it safely in the soil. This process not only helps mitigate climate change, but also improves soil structure and fertility, making it more resilient to extreme weather events. By embracing no-till farming, we are improving soil health and creating more resilient and sustainable food systems. This approach not only benefits the environment, but also supports farmers by reducing labor and input costs, ultimately leading to a more sustainable and profitable agricultural practice. From rolling hills to fertile valleys, a quiet revolution is taking place in agriculture. Farmers around the world are embracing innovative, eco-friendly techniques that are transforming the way we grow our food and care for our planet. These 7 farming techniques represent a fundamental shift towards a more harmonious and sustainable future. By adopting these methods, we can reduce agriculture's environmental impact and create more resilient food systems. Each of us has a role to play by supporting sustainable agriculture and reducing food waste. What technique resonated with you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Global Fact Trends for more inspiring stories of innovation and sustainability.